Come today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and as can you see, we just successfully create the new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here one more application, and you can add here just more apps. Just if you want, you can add here 10 applications or more. So and here, if you want, you can change the name of the app here, for example, on the folder. So for example, enter the apps, and as you can see, we just successfully changed our folder name. Here we can also hold for a while and drag this application to another position if you want. Also, we can move this folder here up between the screens, or also we can create the new screens for the folder. And by the same way, we can turn back this folder here. And if you want to just remove the application from this folder, just hold for a while and drag this app to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove this app from the home screen, for example, hold for a while the app and click here to remove. But don't worry, you will remove the application only from the home screen, but you will stay with this app here in apps menu. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.